Hi everyone, thanks for joining me in the demo. I first created the Quancept platform 20 years ago when I was a proprietary trader and have continuously enhanced it over my trading career and during my fintech venture in China. Now our task right now is to train one or more large language models across all existing services. We created a prototype web page that demonstrates 3 trading and research functions just by interacting with a chatbot. First one is a market scan. Here, we're looking for liquid stocks showing upside momentum. The chatbot will rephrase the criteria more precisely to avoid any ambiguity before sending the scan to the backend. Here we see the scan returned 7 stocks. Next, I specified quantity to buy into the stock and when to exit, and requested to create the strategy. Then I wanted to see how the strategy would have performed this year and asked for a backtest. The result came back shortly after, showing a 35% annualized return and a Sharpe ratio of 2.36, which indicates a fairly smooth return. So in just under 10 minutes, I created and backtested a momentum strategy based entirely on my own ideas, all without writing a single line of code. This capability essentially unleashes the wisdom of the average trader. Now let's take a quick look at our software. Insync does everything we just saw with more details. Here the scan can come back instantaneously. Besides backtesting, MFE and MAE statistics provide very clear numbers for optimizing profit and stop-loss levels. Crystal Trade gives you high productivity when managing positions and orders. Now, due to time constraint, I'll briefly list the services that we plan to roll out. In our extensive work with broker-dealers, we have often heard that most users are non-technical and are not proficient in any computer language. Recent advances in large language models open the door to making our services accessible to the majority of active traders and advisors. At this point, we already trained a custom GPT that can transform ideas into formula syntax and generate a web link to drive a market scan. So we can copy the link and we can paste it into the web page and perform the scan. Moving forward, we'll be using a combination of different large language models to achieve our goal, and I believe this will truly democratize professional and quantitative trading.